Good morning, everyone, and happy Sunday. It took the northern Muslims after 1960s independence of Nigeria. It took them almost 40 years. That was 1999 to put Sharia into Nigerian constitution. Yeah, it took them 40 years to put it into Nigerian constitution. Now, Sharia was mortgaged for presidency. I know because of Abionda, they said, okay, let us bring another Yoruba man in the person of Obasanjo to become Nigeria president to compensate what happened during the June 12, 1993 election. So after that, Obasanjo said, okay, you are giving me president, then take your Sharia. They now infuse Sharia into the Nigerian constitution. Now, when you study everything, it was just the 12 northern states, they said the Sharia will be on personal status. But as I speak to you, the 11th northern state, they are in full implementation of Sharia. It's only one state that have personal status. Not only that, as I speak to you, yesterday I have a program where we discuss about the opening of Sharia court, which will also attract Sharia police, Hizbah, and the rest of them in Oyo State. Oyo State is not part of the 12th northern state. So this is the expansion of Sharia into the downstates in Nigeria. Yesterday, a lot of people called in to react about this issue. Listen. All right. What do you think about this current situation? You must have heard about what is about to happen in Oyo State on the 11th day of January 2025, about 3 weeks from now, that the Supreme Council for Sharia in Nigeria are about to inaugurate the Sharia court in Oyo town and its environment. What is your take on that?
I just saw you now. It was your channel that I saw it, even Okocha. Okocha, we are in trouble. Oh. The country is in trouble, big trouble. The problem now we are facing, one big thing now, one fear I'm having is the youth. Our youth are blind. Our youth are not focusing. You know, this YouTube, Facebook, all these their channels. If you go to all these channels, you see what these youth are doing is different entirely from what is happening in the country. So everybody, so I don't know, because the only way these things can be, you see somebody like you now, like what you are doing now. We have people in that country that have a lot of fans in their channels. But instead of using that channel to do the right thing, to alert people of what is happening, because the youth, they don't know what is happening. No. They don't know. Everybody, they are pursuing money in Facebook, how to get fans, how to make money. But they don't know that what is coming to the doorstep. Because like what you are saying now, this Oyo now, when the Sharia come now, okay, okay, those people who go to club, who go to beer parlor, what will happen to them?
At first, it is going to be a clash of interest, because the Muslims who are there in Oyo State will try to tell you that we are Sharia people, we believe in Sharia court. Sometimes, if you do something, because once you have Sharia court, you have Sharia police, which is the Hizbah. So there will be Hizbah in Yoruba land who will be enforcing that. And so maybe they see you are selling beer and you are not supposed to sell beer. The Yoruba land, though, they will take you to Sharia court and they can sentence you.
Then a Yoruba man now, who is not a Muslim now, what will be his fate?
Their fate will be hanging now. What of Hausa people? Okay. Hausa people who were Christians before. They are no longer.
So this is the Islamization now we are talking about. The Islamization is going everywhere now.
But the problem I'm having with a lot of people is that, you see, I was talking about the hierarchy of need. A lot of people are too hungry. You must have seen the news or hear the news of people who are dying where they were sharing rice. It happens in Oyo State. It happens in Abuja. It happens in Anambra. I have not confirmed the one they sent to me that happened in the northern part of the country. So what I'm trying to say is that there is a hierarchy of need. These people, their plan is too strong in the sense that in the farms, our rural area, our rural inhabitants, they can no longer go to their farm because of insecurity. So there is hunger in the land that will make people not to think about what is going on. You understand the strategy?
But yes, and these are the people who is causing this hunger. It's them. They are the one causing this hunger. Because at the end of the day, people will run to them to feed them, hand to mouth, like they are doing in North. So this is where they will use now to convert a lot of people as well to join them.
That is it.
So at the end of Okocha, the country need to be divided. Oh, let everybody know his fate now. Let everybody start waking up.
But when you talk, when you talk about division,
one Nigeria,
when you talk about division,
not make any sense.
Yeah, when you talk about division, people always think of enmity. Let's not think of enmity. They will tell you that
there is no enmity in division. There is no enmity. This is one thing people don't know about. Yeah,
they will tell you they have mansion in Lagos.
We are UK here. Yeah, people in Ireland, they live in the UK. They have houses here. You understand? It is if they divide that country. If you are living in Diodudua as an Igbo man, all you have to do is to follow their own way, follow their rules. Yeah, you get their paper to live there. Then you follow the rules. Of if you don't like it, then come back to your side. This is how it is. There's no fight in it. We all can be neighbors and we can live anywhere we want to live. That doesn't mean if the country divide, you that live in North, your house is there. Yeah, you've lost it. No. That is not the way it works. You can live anywhere, provided you have the paper to live there. They give you like stamp a document for you that you are living in that place. This is how it is. There will be no problem, but people always think about that. What about this marriage? What about that marriage? You understand? In UK here, Manchester where I live, a lot of people, in fact, you know how it is. People live everywhere they want to live. Those in Ireland are living here. The UKs are living in Ireland. Those in Scotland are living here. I can move today and go and stay in Scotland. But when I get there, then I have to follow, their own rule there because they have different small, different rules. You understand? Like there now, like in Scotland now, you can go to their university, they are free. If you are a citizen there.
Okay.
You understand? That's how these things work. They have some leeways. So a lot of people will be there saying that they enjoy it there. Why, some cases, they will not like it that way. There are some different things. So that doesn't mean people cannot live where they want to live. But if they share the country, then everybody can, look after his own place.
Now let me ask you the last
border.
Yeah, and let me ask you the last question. Now, what about if people are unable to resist what is going on right now, and it happens that this Sharia takes over the Yoruba land properly, and it comes to the southeast again and takes over the southeast? What are you going to do?
No, there will be war. This is what I just have to say because people are quiet now, but there are people who still don't want this thing to happen. You understand? The resistance will come. The resistance, the problem now is even they know. This is why they are trying to silence Biafra movement.
Yeah.
Because Biafra is the only movement that is against them. But it's so unfortunate that those our Biafran politicians, because of money, they are selling the people out.
All right.
Because of position.
All right.
You understand? But Biafra is the only people now that is defending that we can defend this thing now.
It's all right.
Then because if Biafra stand, then Yoruba will follow.
It's all right.
Because right now, no, because the Yorubas, a lot of them as well are Muslim. So this is why they are having this problem more, and this is why they are going through them to conquer the rest. But it's high time they stand up now. This Yoruba people as well.
It's all right.
See that they are using them.
All right, it's all right. We have exhausted your time. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Okocha. Thank you very much. Thank you.
All right. Okay, let's have another caller.